Hi everyone, this is Bashir Khan from B4 Basic channel. Today we are going to make a small donut chart. Okay, I'm going to make from the scratch. I'm not going to use the built-in facility of donut and select data through it, but I'm going to insert simply a chart. Okay, I'll click insert donut chart and click. You'll see a blank screen, blank graph screen is here. Okay, I can drag it here, make it small, or what am I going to do is I will go and use format function from here. Okay, so let's see, go to format and select the chart, go to format and see there is an option of us making width and height as per your accuracy. So I put 2 here, 2 inch width, 2 inch height. This is a small white uh, box here for the chart. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a data series. So I will go select data and add a new series, and I can name it anything, series A or series 1, any name. Okay, if you see because there was no data, so Excel automatically put 1 here just to make sure that some graph or design is here. And what I'm going to do it, because it's a donut, so I want to make like 20 pieces of this donut to make this graph more visually impactful. Okay, so how I am going to do this, there is one, then I'll put comma, 1 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So I put around 20 or 21 ones with comma in this curly bracket, and I click OK, and I click OK, and I see there is something in the chart. It's there, but it looks like unreadable and ununderstandable. So I am going to remove the chart title and also the legend. I don't need a legend at this moment. Okay, so I'm going to see what happened. This is how it looks like because I make 20 pieces of this chart. Now I'm going to go and format the plot area. If you can see the plot area, uh, click on series and see, you will see like 3 options over here, and this is going to be the size of whole of this donut. You can adjust, you can make it 60 maybe. This looks fine, but it's colorful. It's colorful all over the place. It's a multicolor chart, but no problem, we are going to fix it very soon. Okay, so this is our chart, and I'm going to select a series, and I said okay, I want to give this series some kind of a different color, maybe a dark green, and yeah, dark green. Okay, so this is a dark green color because I like green apples, so I put dark green color because I'm going to check, I'm going to add the values of apple achieved percentage in it. Okay, so this is what is at the moment it is showing. Now I'm going to add another data series. Okay, you remember I add series 1. Now I'm going to add series 2, or you can name it anything. I'm saying series 2, and this time I'm not putting anything from my side. I'm going to select these 2 options, 40 and 60%, just to make sure that actually we are making a graph of this percentage. So I will click here OK, click here OK. Now you see there are 2 donuts and different color also. What am I going to do here? I will right click and change the data series type. When you click change chart series, this is not a data series, this is a chart series. You will see here two series which we actually selected. Now I'm going to put the second series on secondary axis and click OK. Now you see, you can only see only one series over here, but actually they both are overlapping each other. Okay, and this blue is actually the color of 40%. Okay, my graph color which I selected from that blue is actually this green, and this mustard color is actually 60% remaining. So what I'm going to do is I will make it white, and let me add some transparency here, and you start looking that the backend series which I prepared before is showing little lighter and looks like remaining graph thingies here. So this chart is completed. Now we are going to add some more items, so make it understandable, reasonable. So first of all, I am going to remove the background with no fill and the border with no line. So now you can see it's a graph, but it has no line and no fill. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert another shape over here. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, and I make this shape same as green color. I'll design some shape format. I'll take some shape format here to make it more beautiful. And I'm going to add this 40% value over here. How I'm going to do this? I will click this object. I will click here, click equals to, click on the value and press enter. Now you see the 40% is here. I'll go to the home tab, make it center. This thing, okay, center, little bigger, bold, and I'm gonna change the color to white so it looks fine now. And I'm going to put this in the middle of this so it looks like 40% chart here. And the same thing I'm going to copy and paste here. Control Z, not I will copy only this object. I will paste here down, and what I'm going to do this time, I am going to press equals to and the thing which actually we are looking. So this is apple, color is white, make it little bigger, bold, and let me increase the size. So here we go. So you can see such a beautiful representation of data is here. Okay, now I'm going to do another series, and I click here and I add a new chart window also, and I'm going to add a series here. I will make a series name, you can say same series 1. I'm going to put here same 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, again 20, same, click OK. Remove this chart element, remove legends also. Okay, and the same thing I'm going to do this again. Format plot area, select the series, go to this chart option, make this 260, I believe. Okay, that's it. I'm going to copy this again here, so we will have 2. Okay, now these are 2. Same thing we are going to do on these 2. Okay, let's do it quickly. Click here, right click, data series, and go to the color option, and I will make it blue. Okay, great. And this one I will make something like this color. Great, 2 colors are there. Now second series, select data, add series. This is series 2, and this time I'm going to select these 2. Great, close. Okay, okay. In here also, right click, select data, add new series, series 2. Okay, and this time also I will select this data and click OK and click OK. Now you can see I have both different color charts here. I'm going to right click and change the series type, make it secondary here, click OK, and same I'm going to do with this. Right click, change the series type, select the second one, click OK. I think I missed something here. I'll do it again, click OK, and it's same like this. Okay, both are showing in a different color. This one was the blue, so I will right click, format data series area. I will change the color to blue, I believe. It was blue. No, I have to make it white. No, 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 no. Control Z. Not both, only one. This one, I will make it white, and I will make some transparency for this bluish look. Good. I will click here, select this also, and let me see. Actually, this is 63%. This is also blue. So let's make this one white and see what happened. Okay, but gone. Everything is gone because of this white. Okay, Control Z. Actually, I have to click here and I make this one white and give a texture like this. So you can see the same way of looking of these three items. Okay, just make it little upper, make it little upper. Okay, now I'm going to no fill, no line. I'm going to make this no fill, no line. I'm going to copy this over here. Okay, paste here, put it here, and this is not going to be 40%. This is going to be something else. Okay, 43% maybe. So equals to, and 43, enter. Again, white, bold, a little higher, and white color. And same thing I'm going to paste here. And this time also equals to 38%. Okay, I will make it white, increase the size, not that big. And then I'm going to change the fill color. I'm going to change this fill color to blue, so it will match with its texture there. Okay, which one, which blue was there? I think this looks better. Okay, so same thing we can do with the objects here. This is a different object. Let me move it a little upish. Okay, and same thing I'm going to paste here. This is the apple here, just to make everything in line. Okay, great. I'm going to change the color of apples. Okay, this is going to be a little lighter color of this and little lighter color of blue. Okay, great. Here equals to, I'll go that side and say bananas. Here equals to, and the other product, oranges. Okay, now if you see this, I have to make it bigger, bold. Here also little bigger and bold. So you can see how easily we design three different graphs using Doughnut, and this shows a little more different than normal by default edit graph. I hope you learn something new today. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you very much.